This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make green salsa verde. Start by gathering your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of tomatillos, 2 to 3 jalapeño peppers, 1 small white onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a generous bunch of fresh cilantro. These core components are essential for achieving that vibrant, tangy, and slightly spicy flavor profile that makes salsa verde so delicious. Ensure your tomatillos are firm and bright green for the best results. Next, we'll roast our key ingredients to unlock their full flavor potential. Place the tomatillos, jalapeños, onion, and garlic on a baking sheet. Broil them for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning occasionally until they are softened and have a nice char. This roasting process is crucial. It sweetens the vegetables and adds a wonderful smoky depth to your salsa verde. Once your roasted vegetables have cooled slightly, transfer them to a blender. Add a generous handful of fresh cilantro, about 1/4 cup of water or chicken broth, and a pinch of salt. Blend until you reach your preferred consistency. Some prefer a chunky salsa, while others like it very smooth. Taste and adjust the seasoning, perhaps adding a tiny bit of sugar to balance the tomatillo's tartness. Your homemade green salsa verde is almost ready. For the best flavor, let it cool completely in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your vibrant salsa with crispy tortilla chips as a topping for your favorite tacos or alongside grilled meats. It's incredibly versatile and will keep fresh in an airtight container for about 5 days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.